Hello, happy morning, my dear students. A warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Students, today is your GK revision. Are you all ready for the class, children? Students, take your revision note and start writing in your revision note. Take a new fresh page and write. Okay, students, write neatly. Spell the words and write in your blue color stick pen. Okay, Mama. First, write the GK revision heading. GK revision heading. Next, first Roman letter. Match the following monuments with their countries in which they are located. Match the following monuments with their countries in which they are located. You are going to match the monuments with the countries. Monuments na ennaduma நினைவு சின்னங்கள். Countries na நாடு. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? மேட்ச் பண்ண போறோம். Number 1, Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty, it's in USA. Statue of Liberty, USA. Number 2, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. It's in Cambodia. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. 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 Number 3, the Colosseum. It's in Italy. The Colosseum, it's in Italy. Italy, Italy. Number 4, Senji Stupa. It's in India. India, India. Number 5, Place of Versailles. It's in France. Place of Versailles, it's in France. Number 6, the pyramids. It's in Egypt. It's in Egypt. The pyramids, it's in Egypt. Let me once again revise it. Statue of Liberty, USA. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. The Colosseum, Italy. Senji Stupa, India. Place of Versailles, France. The pyramids, Egypt. Second Roman letter. There are many kinds of train running in the world. Some of them are given below. Now we are going to write the names of the trains, different kinds of trains. Number 1, a train that is introduced specially on the occasion of festivals, holidays, fairs, or to promote tourism. A train that is introduced specially on the occasion of festivals, holidays, fairs, or to promote tourism. It is special train. It is special train. ஒரு train அது என்னைக்கு எப்போலாமா இருக்கும்? ஃபெஸ்டிவல் டைமில், அதே மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு ஹாலிடேஸ் விடும் போது, அதுமாதிரி எங்கேனாச்சும் ஃபேர்ஸாக நம்ம ஒரு கண்காட்சி அதெல்லாம் எங்கன்னா நடக்குது அப்படின்னா அந்த ட்ரெயின்லாம் அப்போ ஸ்பெஷலாக என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? ரன் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதுதான் அப்போது அது என்ன ட்ரெயின்? நமக்கு ஸ்பெஷல் ட்ரெயின். அந்த மாதிரி அக்கேஷனலாக விடுற ட்ரெயின் தான் ஸ்பெஷல் ட்ரெயின். அ ட்ரெயின் தட் இஸ் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ்ட் ஸ்பெஷலி ஆன் த அக்கேஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபெஸ்டிவல்ஸ், ஹாலிடேஸ், ஃபேர்ஸ் ஆர் டு ப்ரமோட் டூரிசம். ஸ்பெஷல் ட்ரெயின். SPECIAL, special train. TRAIN, train. Number 2, a train that stops at selected stations and is comparatively faster than passenger train. A train that stops at selected stations and is comparatively faster than passenger train. ஒரு ட்ரெயின் அது வந்து எங்கே நிற்கும்? ரொம்ப குறிப்பிட்ட ஸ்டேஷன்ஸில் மட்டும்தான் நிற்கும். எல்லா ஸ்டேஷன்லையும் நிற்காது. அதே நேரத்தில் அது எப்படி இருக்கும்? பேசஞ்சர் ட்ரெயினோட ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அந்த ட்ரெயின் பேர் என்னது? எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ட்ரெயின். த நேம் ஆஃப் த ட்ரெயின் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ட்ரெயின். EXPRESS, எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ட்ரெயின். TRAIN, train. A train that stops at selected stations and is comparatively faster than passenger train. Express train. Number 3, a train that stops at every station. A train that stops at every station. Passenger train. ட்ரெயின் எல்லா ஸ்டேஷன்லையும் நின்று தான் போகும். அப்போ அந்த ட்ரெயினோட நேம் என்னது? பேசஞ்சர் ட்ரெயின். PASSENGER passenger train. TRAIN train. A train that stops at every station. Passenger train. Fourth one, a train that carries goods from one place to another. Its compartments are called wagon. A train that carries goods from one place to another. Its compartments are called wagon. The name of the train is goods train. As it carries the goods from one place to another, the name of the train is goods train. GOODS goods train. TRAIN train. Fifth one, a train that runs on specially constructed railway tracks or runs underground. A train that runs on specially constructed railway tracks or runs underground. The name of the train is metro train. Metro train. METRO metro train. TRAIN train. Number 6, a very fast train that runs on magnetic field. A very fast train that runs on magnetic field. The name of the train is bullet train. BULLET bullet train. TRAIN train. Third Roman letter, unscramble the names of the continents and the oceans. Unscramble the names of the continents and the oceans. The names of the continents and oceans are given as scrambled. கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? அதை unscramble பண்ணி எழுத போகிறோம். கரெக்டாக எழுத போகிறோம். ஓகேவாம்மா? Number 1, UEPEOR. The correct word name of the continent is EUROPE, Europe. EUROPE, Europe. Number 2, CTIATLNAONACE. The correct name of the ocean is Atlantic Ocean. It's a name of an ocean. The name of the ocean is Atlantic Ocean. ATLANTIC, Atlantic Ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Number 3, CAFRIA. It's a continent. The name of the continent is Africa. AFRICA, Africa. AFRICA, Africa. Number 4, AISA. It's the name of a continent. The name of the continent is Asia. ASIA, Asia. ASIA, Asia. Number 5, CTICRA, ONCEA. It's the name of a ocean and the name of the ocean is Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Arctic Ocean. Number 6, ASTUIALAR. It's the name of the continent. The name of the continent is Australia. AUSTRALIA, Australia. AUSTRALIA, Australia. Number 7, IANDIN OANCE. It's the name of a ocean and the name of the ocean is Indian Ocean. INDIAN, Indian Ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Indian Ocean. Number 8, THNORRICAMEA. It's the name of a continent and the name of the continent is North America. NORTH, North America. AMERICA, America. North America. Fourth Roman letter, tick the correct options. Options will be given. We have to choose the correct answer and write. Okay, Mama? Number 1. The largest river of the world is dash. The options are Nile, Amazon. The correct answer is Nile. N-I-L-E, Nile. The largest river of the world is Nile. Number 2. The longest mountain range of the world is dash. The options are the Andes, the Alps. The correct answer is the Andes. The Andes. A-N-D-E-S. Andes. The longest mountain range of the world is the Andes. Number 3. The biggest country of the world is dash. The biggest country of the world is dash. The options are Russia, China. The correct answer is Russia. R-U-S-S-I-A. Russia. The biggest country of the world is Russia. Number 4. The highest waterfall in the world is dash. Angel Falls, Victoria Falls. The options are Angel Falls, Victoria Falls. Correct answer is Angel Falls. A-N-G-E-L. Angel Falls. F-A-L-L-S. Falls. Highest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls. Number 5. The Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is situated at dash. The options are New Delhi, Hyderabad. The correct answer is Hyderabad. The Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is situated at Hyderabad. H-Y-D-E-R-B-A-D. Hyderabad. 6th one. Bagh village in Gwalior is famous for dash. Options are cave painting, architecture. The correct answer is cave painting. C-A-V-E, cave painting. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G, painting, cave painting. Bagh village in Gwalior is famous for cave painting. 7. The headquarters of the National Power Training Institute is located at dash. The options are Faridabad, Lucknow. The correct answer is Faridabad. F-A-R-I-D-A-B-A-D. Faridabad. Headquarters of the National Power Training Institute is located at Faridabad. Number 8. The Indian Institute of Science is located at dash. The options are Kerala, Bengaluru. The correct answer is Bengaluru. B-E-N-G-A-L-U-R-U. Bengaluru. The Indian Institute of Science is located at Bengaluru. Number 9. Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology is located at dash. Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology is located at dash. The options are Simla, Dehradun. The correct answer is Dehradun. D-E-H-R-A. Dehradun. D-U-N. Dehradun. Number 10. The largest desert in the world is dash. The options are Thar Desert, Sahara Desert. The correct answer is Sahara Desert. S-A-H-A-R-A. Sahara Desert. D-E-S-C-R-T. Desert. The largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. Students, after writing the revision, have to put the parent sign and have to get the sign from your parents. Students, this is your third term revision ma. Kindly do your revision properly and write your revision test properly. Write the revision neatly. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you ma.